Hello everyone, welcome to Half Traveler. I am Oniman Sarkar. So let's not waste any more time and unbox it. The size I brought is large and you can see the color of my jacket. It's deep blue. You can see there are pockets on both sides which the quality of the material used is very nice. There is a pocket given inside. You can keep your important document, phone. You can see the Bewakoof branding. It's the size L and my height is approx 5'10", 5'11". So if you found the video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching it. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you.